has got a really nice ambience. Ever since we've joined apps, we actually have something to look forward to doing in the evenings.
फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी पण वाढली आहे आणि थोडं यंग झाल्यासारखं वाटतंय.
What we can say about apps is it's a really happening and rocking gym, and we get very good results.
Apps is a complete family.
बंदा एनर्जेटिक हो जाता है.
To have apps in a small city, not in a metropolitan city called Dulia.
The music is really quirky and nice, so one actually feels like working out.
Love life.
लिव्ह लाईफ.
Enjoy follow dance a lot, and dance is anytime fun.
आयुष्य सुंदर आहे. सुंदर बनवण्यासाठी ABSची आम्हाला साथ नक्कीच मिळते. स्वतःला दिवसभर फिट वाटते आणि फिटनेस हीच खरी संपत्ती आहे असं डॉक्टर म्हणून मी इथं नमूद करू इच्छितो.